Today I want to share with you how to make the famous Korean rice soap that lightens dark areas of the skin.
In a creamy version for the shower, for the whole body, with a pH of 5, perfect for skincare.
The main ingredient is white rice. Use one of good quality with a high starch content.
The starch and other compounds in rice help reduce the production of melanin, the pigment that gives color to the skin.
We will use 3 tablespoons of rice and an airtight jar. Add 200 milliliters of water.
Rice is famous as an ingredient for lightening and softening the skin, especially in Japan and Korea.
We close the jar tightly so it's airtight and let it soak for at least 24 hours.
It will ferment gently, and the next day it's ready to use. We're going to blend the rice together with the water.
We're going to use a bar of original DAB soap.
This bar weighs 90 grams and we're going to grate the whole thing.
Your skin has a natural acid mantle to keep it healthy, also called the skin barrier, with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5, which protects it.
Regular bath soaps are very alkaline, with a pH between 8 and 10, and they can damage that natural barrier of the skin.
This DAP soap has a pH of 5 and won't disrupt your skin barrier.
With a pH of 5, it maintains your skin's natural balance without disrupting the skin barrier.
Here we have boiling water to melt the soap.
I invite you to subscribe to my channel. You'll find lots of natural recipes to improve our daily lives. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell.
Thank you very much to everyone who supports our channel by giving a thumbs up, leaving comments, and sharing our content.
There go 12 tablespoons.
And let's wet all the soap while this gets wet and melts.
We leave it on the side.
And we're going to strain the water and the rice that we've blended using a strainer and a cheesecloth.
This is going to make our soap completely creamy.
I would love for you to leave me a comment telling me which country you're writing from and if the subtitles we've added have been helpful to you.
We're going to add a heaping tablespoon of cornstarch, and we're going to add it little by little, so.
That it dissolves well, the cornstarch.
Once we have everything dissolved, we add everything we have. The rice water,
We mix everything very well, and we're going to add
Oil.
In this case, it's almond oil, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon.
It can also be olive oil.
Right now it won't mix together, but later it will blend with the whole mixture. So don't worry if you can't add it. In the end.
Let's see how this goes.
See how it's much more melted now, creamy there. See how it gets nice and creamy just like that.
Now we're going to add the mixture.
And now we're going to mix it in really well.
In this container.
It's a bit hard. I'm not using the right container.
It could be, for example, a blender cup, because you can even blend this so it mixes much faster.
If not, just whisk it well.
Like I was saying, whisk it very vigorously.
Until it's fully combined.
Or just use a hand blender directly.
Okay, I want to show you this because the recording stopped right when we finished mixing as I had started to show you.
And then what I did was put it in this glass container and let it rest.
It can take a few hours or until the next day, as in this case.
So it's going to get very creamy and have a very pleasant texture.
And here it already has the perfect texture. The shower gel or liquid soap, whatever you call it,
which has the property of being whitening and above all how we work with this soap.
The wonderful thing is that we're going to have a pH between 4.5 and 5.5, and now we're going to measure it.
This is ideal for the skin so it doesn't get affected when you're using this shower soap, which also helps lighten spots.
Let's measure it, okay? And there we can see
Like I was telling you, look.
It has the ideal pH for the skin, between 4.5 and 5.5, which matches the skin's slightly acidic pH.
And look, it's great. It's right there.
So we won't have any kind of problem?
Well, here's what I'm gonna do. This soap, since there's quite a lot, look at how much we have left. We should store it in a jar with a lid for when we need to refill.
And then we put a certain amount in a small bottle, like these, which are recyclable and can go in the bathroom. This way it keeps for months, and if you put it in the fridge, even longer, because the soap's own preservatives keep it, it'll stay perfect. Next, what we're going to do is take this and fill our little bottle. For everyday use, because this is more hygienic.
Since we're not taking it out or touching it with our hands, it stays in the bottle and lasts much longer.
You'll see that it will last you forever in the bathroom. Well, let's hope that's the case, because it's quite a lot.
It's pretty thick. Sure, let's give it a go. It's a shower gel, so you can use it all over. On your face, body, and hands.
very gentle, honestly, very nice, very pretty.